Today we will discuss about function. There are two styles we will touch upon today. One is function expression, one is function declaration. Let's start discussion about function expression. Like in JavaScript, any function can be acted as a variable. So here we define a function and we can associate or we can store into another variable like hello. This style of function is known as function expression, and also there is no name associated with it. So that sometimes it is called anonymous function as well. So this hello we can call after this declaration, so it will work exactly fine. But there is a small thing to note over here is that we cannot call this hello before declaring that or before assigning to the constant hello. So we cannot call it. Then it will throw an error. But in case of function declaration, like we can define a function and we can call before it, even without before declaration, we can call it. There is a concept known as hoisting. Think in terms of like flag hoisting. So whenever we just this script will be executed, this function will be hoisted at the top, and it will be available to all the lines of the code after that. So this high will be getting executed. This is the only concept you have to remember. Now let's see how it in a code base. So for example, let's say I define this function. If I try to call it after this, then hello will be printed. But if I try to call it before, then there is a two error. One is hello is not defined, and we cannot access hello before initialization. So this is how we having some issues with the function expression. But in case of functional, declaration, we can call before or after. So in this case, it is before, or we can also call as after this call. So it will work in both the cases. So hope you learned something today. Thank you very much. Have a good day ahead. Bye bye.